Welcome to our channel Storm Rider, the 2025 Coachmen Galleria, a luxury Class B motorhome built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This van is designed for travelers who want comfort, convenience, and top-tier performance in one sleek package. Starting with the exterior, the Galleria features a streamlined design with high-end finishes and premium paint options. Equipped with full-body automotive paint, aluminum wheels, and a power awning with LED lighting, it's built to make a statement on the road. You'll also find an outdoor shower, a roof-mounted solar panel, and ample storage compartments for all your travel essentials. Moving inside, the interior is where luxury meets functionality. With handcrafted cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and plush seating, every inch of this RV is designed for comfort. The driver and passenger seats swivel to become part of the living space, and the touchscreen control system lets you manage lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. The living area features a spacious lounge with premium leather seating that converts into a sleeping area. Large windows with day and night shades provide excellent natural light and privacy. The kitchen is fully equipped with a stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, microwave, and a 12V refrigerator, allowing you to prepare meals just like you would at home. In the rear, the power sofa bed transforms into a cozy sleeping space at the push of a button. Overhead storage provides plenty of room for your gear, and the soft closed drawers add a touch of luxury. The wet bath includes a shower, toilet, and sink, maximizing space while maintaining convenience. The built-in water filtration system ensures fresh water on demand, and the tankless water heater provides endless hot showers. Powering the Galleria is a robust lithium-ion battery system with a powerful inverter, making off-grid living easier than ever. Paired with the optional generator and solar package, you can stay powered up wherever the road takes you. Safety is a top priority with features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising the open highway, you'll feel confident behind the wheel. The 2025 Coachmen Galleria is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality, built for adventurers who refuse to compromise on comfort. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time RVer, this Class B motorhome is ready to take you on unforgettable journeys. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more RV reviews and travel inspiration. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Coachmen Galleria. See you in the next video.